500 grams of chicken breast sliced into bite-sized pieces, 120 milliliters of milk, 1 egg, 200 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 200 grams of breadcrumbs. Let's get started. First, let's prepare our seasoned flour. In a bowl, add the flour, ground black pepper, salt, and paprika. Give it a good mix with a fork until everything is well combined. Look at those lovely colors blending together. Next, crack an egg into a separate bowl and pour in the milk. Beat the mixture vigorously with a fork until it's nicely blended. Now let's prepare our breadcrumbs. Pour them onto a plate. This will make the breading process much easier later on. One by one, coat each piece of chicken breast in the seasoned flour, making sure each piece is well covered. Give the bowl a good shake to make sure the flour sticks to all the chicken pieces. Now, dip each floured piece into the egg and milk mixture. Make sure each piece is thoroughly coated. Place the coated pieces onto a separate plate. Once all pieces are coated, dredge them in the seasoned flour once more. Once they're all in, give the bowl a good shake to ensure every piece is well covered. Look at how nicely coated they are. This extra step makes them even crispier. Next, dip the double floured chicken pieces back into the egg and milk mixture for an additional layer. Finally, roll them in the breadcrumbs for that extra crunch. Don't they look wonderful already? Heat the vegetable oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the breaded chicken pieces into the pan. Fry them until they are golden brown and cooked through. And now, here's a very important moment. To ensure your nuggets are perfectly crispy, place them on a wire rack instead of a paper towel after frying. This helps the nuggets stay crisp on all sides as they cool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.